Hi everyone. Welcome to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about top 7 most beautiful birds in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Let's start. Number 7. The Mute Swan. The mute swan is a large and graceful swan species native to Europe and parts of Asia. It is recognized by its all-white plumage, a long and gracefully curved neck, and a distinctive orange bill with a black knob at the base. Despite its name, the mute swan is not entirely silent. It produces soft, musical sounds, but it's less vocal than other swan species. These swans are commonly found in various aquatic habitats, including lakes, rivers, and ponds, where they feed on aquatic plants, algae, and small aquatic invertebrates. Mute swans are known for their serene and regal presence, making them a favorite subject in art and literature. Number 6. The Purple Honeycreeper. The purple honeycreeper is a small and exceptionally colorful bird, with males displaying bright purple-blue feathers on their body, wings, and tail. This plumage contrasts with their black mask-like face and bill. Females, on the other hand, have more subdued greenish plumage. These honeycreepers inhabit tropical and subtropical forests, often in the canopy, where they primarily feed on nectar, fruit, and insects. They play a vital role in pollination, making them ecologically significant in their native ecosystems. Due to their stunning appearance and ecological importance, purple honeycreepers are highly regarded by birdwatchers and enthusiasts in the regions where they are found. They serve as a testament to the vibrant biodiversity of Central and South American forests. Number 5. The Turquoise Parrot. The turquoise parrot, Neophema pulchella, is a delightful and colorful parrot species native to eastern Australia. This charming bird is characterized by its striking turquoise blue plumage, which beautifully embellishes its body, wings, and tail. The combination of this vibrant blue with contrasting colors makes it a captivating sight. These parrots predominantly inhabit the woodlands and forests of eastern Australia, particularly in regions with suitable vegetation for their feeding and nesting needs. Their diet primarily consists of seeds, fruits, and various plant materials. Turquoise parrots are celebrated for their gentle and tranquil disposition, making them a favorite among bird enthusiasts. Their relatively calm nature contrasts with the more boisterous behaviors of some other parrot species. Number 4. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon, Gora victoria, is a magnificent bird species native to the lush lowland rainforests of Papua New Guinea. It is renowned for its regal and distinctive appearance. This pigeon is among the largest in the world, with individuals reaching impressive lengths of up to 74 centimeters, 29 inches. Its plumage is a captivating shade of deep royal blue, adorned with intricate white patterns, making it appear like avian. The most striking feature is the ornate, crown-like crest of delicate, lace-like feathers on its head, which gives the bird its name. Victoria crowned pigeons are typically found in remote and less disturbed forested areas, where they move gracefully through the forest understory. They are known for their gentle and relatively calm demeanor, which stands in contrast to the more common pigeons often found in urban settings. These pigeons primarily feed on a diverse diet of fruits, seeds, and small invertebrates, playing a vital role in seed dispersal within their rainforest habitat. Their cooing calls, soft and melodious, contribute to the ambience of their lush and secluded homes. While their conservation status is not currently listed as endangered, they do face threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and potential hunting for their striking feathers. Conservation initiatives aim to protect their habitat and raise awareness about the significance of preserving these remarkable birds and the ecosystems they call home. Number 3. The Scarlet Tanager. The Scarlet Tanager is a visually striking North American bird, distinguished by its vibrant red plumage in males and more subdued olive-green feathers in females and juveniles. These birds are commonly found in woodlands, where they forage for insects during the breeding season, and they occasionally consume fruits. One of the Scarlet Tanager's notable features is its melodious and warbling song, adding a delightful element to the forest's auditory landscape. These birds are also remarkable for their migratory behavior, as they are neotropical migrants. One of the Scarlet Tanager's notable features is its melodious and warbling song, adding a delightful element to the forest's auditory landscape. These birds are also remarkable for their migratory behavior, as they are neotropical migrants. They spend their winters in the warmer climates of Central and South America and return to North America for the breeding season, making them a harbinger of spring's arrival. Despite their general population stability, Scarlet Tanagers are not without threats. Habitat loss, primarily driven by deforestation, coupled with the impacts of climate change, poses challenges to their wintering and breeding habitats. This makes their conservation an important consideration for preserving the beauty and biodiversity of North American woodlands. Number 2. The Gouldian Finch. The Gouldian Finch, also known as the rainbow finch, is a small and brilliantly colorful bird native to the northern regions of Australia. Its striking appearance is characterized by vibrant plumage in males, featuring a dazzling combination of green, yellow, red, and blue feathers, accentuated by a distinctive black face mask and throat. Females, in contrast, exhibit more subdued colors with a greenish hue. These finches thrive in the savanna woodlands and grasslands of northern Australia, particularly in the Kimberley region of Western Australia. They are avid seed eaters, with a preference for various grass seeds, occasionally supplementing their diet with insects, especially during the breeding season. Gouldian finches are social birds, often found in flocks, and they communicate through soft chirps and calls. During the breeding season, which aligns with the wet season in their habitat, they construct their nests in tree hollows or suitable cavities. Both male and female Gouldian finches play active roles in nesting, incubating eggs, and feeding their chicks. Despite their captivating beauty and charm, these finches are considered near threatened due to factors like habitat loss, altered fire regimes, and potential competition with invasive species. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their natural habitat and support breeding programs in captivity. The Gouldian finch stands as a symbol of the need to safeguard the fragile ecosystems of northern Australia. Number 1. The Blue-gray Tanager. The Blue-gray Tanager, scientifically known as Thraupis episcopus, is a striking bird found across Central and South America. This medium-sized species boasts a captivating blue-gray plumage, with a contrasting paler underbelly. These tanagers are known for their lively and social nature, often seen in pairs or small flocks, and they communicate through various chirps and calls. Their diet primarily consists of a diverse menu, including fruits, berries, and insects, making them essential for seed dispersal in the ecosystems they inhabit. Blue-gray tanagers are versatile in their choice of habitat, from lush forests to gardens and wood. During the breeding season, they construct cup-shaped nests in trees or shrubs, with both males and females sharing incubation and chick-rearing duties. While their populations are generally stable, habitat loss due to deforestation remains a potential threat in some regions. These colorful and active birds hold cultural significance in some areas, occasionally featuring in local art and folklore. With their striking appearance and important ecological role, the blue-gray tanager continues to captivate bird enthusiasts and ecologists alike.